Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of sea moss. Why is everyone buzzing about sea moss? Let's break it down. Are you looking for a game-changing supplement to boost your health and wellness? Today, we're talking about the incredible sea moss gel, supplements, and how they can transform your life. So, sit tight and let's dive in. Sea moss, also known as Irish moss, is a type of red algae that grows along the Atlantic coast of North America and Europe. For centuries, it's been a staple in traditional remedies, and now it's making waves in the health and wellness community. Firstly, sea moss is packed with nutrients. We're talking about 92 out of the 102 essential minerals our body needs. Unbelievable. That includes iodine, calcium, potassium, sulfur, and iron. Imagine getting all those minerals in just a few spoonfuls of this amazing supplement, making this a must-have in your daily routine. It improves joint health. Sea moss is also anti-inflammatory, making it great for joints. Athletes and people with arthritis have found relief in adding sea moss to their daily diet. Seniors should definitely consider sea moss daily. Immune support. Sea moss is rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as antioxidants and zinc, all of which help boost the immune system. In this day and age, we could all use a little immunity boost. These nutrients support the body's defense against infections and inflammation. Thyroid health. Due to its high iodine content, sea moss plays a crucial role in supporting thyroid function. The thyroid regulates metabolism, and adequate iodine levels help prevent disorders like hypothyroidism. A healthy thyroid supports energy levels, other hormones in your body, and more. Digestive health. Sea moss acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. Its high fiber content helps promote digestion and regular bowel movements, which can improve gut health. A healthy gut is a necessity, especially during cold and flu season. 70% of your immunity resides in your gut. Let's talk skin and hair health. Thanks to its many vitamins and minerals, sea moss is also commonly used in skincare to reduce inflammation and hydrate the skin. It may help with other skin conditions like acne and eczema while promoting hair growth for thinning hair and scalp health for growth. Next, we will cover respiratory support. Sea moss's mucilaginous properties make it effective in relieving respiratory issues by soothing mucous membranes, reducing congestion, and acting as an expectorant. Let's not forget everyone's favorite topic of weight management. For those looking to manage their weight, sea moss can be a valuable addition to their diet. It is low in calories and rich in fiber, which helps increase feelings of fullness and reduce overall appetite. Sea moss also supports thyroid function, which is directly linked to metabolism. A well-functioning thyroid helps regulate body weight by maintaining healthy metabolic rates. Sea moss is naturally rich in potassium chloride, which is very effective in breaking down mucus and clearing out harmful toxins from the body. It also contains alginates, compounds that bind to heavy metals and other toxins in the gut, helping to remove them from the body. Regular consumption of sea moss can aid in detoxification, promoting a cleaner, healthier system. Sea moss is amazing. Overall, sea moss is a versatile and beneficial addition to your wellness routine, offering a natural boost for immunity, skin health, digestion, and more. Remember to consume it in moderation and ensure you're getting it from a reliable source. Consider third-party testing and going for organic options. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thank you for watching and supporting the benefits of channel. See you in the next video.